Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVA Sumi School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class today for the student of class nursery. So let's start our class. Our today's topic is fill in the blanks part 1. Okay. Lecture number is 11 for the annual term examination, and you have a homework. Your homework number is also 11. My dear students, look at the board. There is topic is fill in the blanks. Okay, there are 8 numbers are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers are given, and the spelling is also given. But there is some gaps in the spelling. We will fill up that gaps. Okay, it's called fill in the blanks. My dear students, first number is 8 and 5, and you know that already. 8 and 5 makes the number 85, and this is also 85 in the spelling, E-I-G-H-T-O-Y, 80. And then 5, the spelling of 5 is F-I-V-E, 5. That means in this gap I is missing, so I will be in this blank. Okay, F-I-V-E, 5. So we should fill up this blank with the letter I. F-I-V, 5. The next number, my dear students, is so simple, isn't it? The next number is 7 and 0. 7 and 0 makes the number what? 7 and 0 makes the number 70. And the spelling of 70 is S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70, okay. My dear students, look at the spelling is S-E-V-E-N. So V is missing here. T-Y, 70, okay. So it will be V in this blank to fill up this number. It will be V. Our next number is 5 and 6. Dear students, 5 and 6 makes the number 56. 56. And the spelling of 50 is F-I-F-T-Y, 50, and S-I-X, 6. 6 is given here, but here is a gap in 50. So spelling of 50 is F-I-F-T-Y. That means in this blank, it will be T. It will be the letter T. So letter T will fill up this blank. It will be T. 56. Next number is 9 and 2. It is 92. My dear students, the spelling of 92 is what? Is N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90, then T-W-O, 2. 2 is given totally, but in 90 there is a gap. So spelling of 90 is N-I-N-E. 9, then T-Y. So this blank will be filled up with the letter E. N-I-N-E, 9. T-Y-T, 90, then 2, 92. Our next blank is in the right side top. It's 6 and 8. The number is 68. Okay, 6 and 8 makes the number 68. And the spelling of 68 is what? Is S-I-X-T-Y, 60, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Yes, my dear students, that means this blank will be filled up with the letter T, because S-I-X-T-Y, 60. So write it down, T. After that number, the number is 59 is given here. 5 and 9, 59. My dear students, the spelling of 59 is F-I-F-T-Y, 50, and 9, N-I-N-E, 9. And in 9, there is a gap, and we know that the spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E, 9. That means this blank will be filled up with the letter I. It's 9, N-I-N-E, 9. Okay. Our next blank in the number 73, okay? It is 7 and 3. The number is 73. The spelling of 73 is S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 73. T-H-R-E-E, or you can say T-H-R-E-E, 3. So there is E is missing. We will fill up this blank with the letter E. Now the last one. The last one, the given number is 9 and 0. 9 and 0 makes the number 90. 9 and 0 makes the number 90. And the spelling of 90 is N-I-N-E, 9. Then T-Y, 90. So it is N-I-N-E, 9. T-Y. Y is missing here. We should fill up this blank with the letter Y. Okay, I hope, my dear students, if you have understood this problem. My dear students, this the very easiest topic if you can memorize all the number in words. Okay, that means the spelling is very important for filling the blanks. The students, this is also your HW. That means this is your CW and this is also your HW. Your HW number is 11. Please mention the HW number in your HW copy left top corner, okay? And you can submit, my dear students, the HW in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.